Good morning, kg1l. How are you today? I am Miss Radwa and I miss you all. Today we have revision about sound R. R. R for what? What is this? Rabbit. Yes, very good. Rabbit. Excellent. What else? Yes. Ring. 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 Yes, very good, kg1l. I can hear you. Yes, again. Ring. What else? What is this? Rain. Excellent. Very good. Rain. Yes. Rain. Yes. What else? Robot. Wow. Robot. Excellent. Huh? Robot. Very good. Ra. Robot. Ra. Rain. Ra. Ring. Yes. This is the sound of Ra. How can I write the capital and a small r? Stick down, half circle, slash down. This is the capital R. Stick down, half circle, slash down. Yes. Very good, excellent. Okay, how can I write the small r? Small. Small stick between two lines and slash up. Small stick between two lines and slash up. Yes, very